Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best tea maker that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Mr. Coffee TM75 iced tea maker. While my very southern Mimi, grandma, might smack me for brewing iced tea with a machine, I tested the Mr. Coffee TM75 iced tea maker anyways. Just for you, dear reader. This iced tea maker brews quickly and more easily than the process I learned as a child, which was akin to gospel. The large pitcher readily serves a family full of thirsty young'uns on a hot summer afternoon. And the machine brews quickly so that another batch will be ready lickety-split, just in time for supper. The Mr. Coffee TM75 comes with a tea pitcher, and a quick swap of the lid makes for easy serving and storage. The auto shut-off feature ensures safety, and the slim profile doesn't take up much room on a busy countertop. If iced tea drinking wasn't as heavily ingrained in you as good old southern manners, this device also brews exceptional iced coffee. Perfect when the summer sun is too hot for a steaming cup of joe. Moving on at number 4, we have the Ninja Hot and Cold Brewed system with thermal carafe tea maker. The Ninja Hot and Cold Brewed system offers endless tea and coffee drinks from oolong to cappuccinos for those who want it all. If you are concerned about that coffee aftertaste interfering with your brewed tea, don't worry. The Ninja system has separate coffee and tea baskets to keep the taste of your drink pure. This product can brew coffee, loose leaf or bagged tea, and specialty drinks, giving you a myriad of options for your morning drink. 5 different brew modes offer classic, rich, over ice, cold brew, and specialty in 6 brew sizes in addition to a fold-away milk frother. Each brew mode provides additional features as well, so you can become your own barista. While this product costs a pretty penny, a quick scroll through customer reviews confirms it's well worth the money. The box includes the machine, 2 filters, a scoop, and a thermal carafe for easy serving. At number 3, we have the Breville BTM800XL tea maker. Some products on our list excel in multiple areas, where others specialize. The Breville BTM800XL tea maker is an automatic tea maker that brings you the perfect brew every time. Precise temperature settings, an auto-lowering and raising infuser basket, and warming settings create a symphony of technology that brings out the most subtle flavors in your favorite teas for an exquisite drinking experience. To get your tea started, add your water and tea to the device, select the type of tea and strength, and hit the start button. In no time, you'll have a perfect brew packed with flavor to start your morning off right. The Breville BTM800XL has an LCD, 6 tea settings, 4 strength settings, and a 60-minute warming option for those mornings where you need a second cup. The 1-liter pitcher has more than enough capacity to serve the household, regardless of size. At number 2, we have the Hiware 1000 ml glass teapot tea maker. Our next tea maker machine combines function, simplicity, and style. The Hiware 1000 ml glass teapot is a clear, stovetop-safe teapot with a removable infuser for blooming, loose leaf, and bagged teas. The 1000 ml, 1 liter, capacity makes this product perfect for single or smaller households. Most glass teapots on the market are not safe for use on the stovetop or in the microwave, but the borosilicate glass construction of this teapot is safe for use with medium heat. One of the things we love about this teapot is the fact that it is clear. If you enjoy the spectacle of blooming teas, this teapot is ideal for you. As far as style and design go, this teapot takes the cake. When not in use, this device will look beautiful resting on your stove or countertop. And finally at number 1, we have the Ovalware Airtight Cold Brew Iced Coffee Maker and Tea Infuser. While the name of this product says, cold brew, don't be fooled, it brews hot drinks, too. The Ovalware Airtight Cold Brew Iced Coffee Maker and Tea Infuser is an iced tea infuser with borosilicate glass and stainless steel construction that allows for easy cold brew or hot brewing like a teapot. The sleek space-saving design of this coffee and tea maker makes for easy storage post-brewing. The unique build is reminiscent of chemistry class beakers, making your cold brew experiments that much more fun. For easy overnight cold brew coffee and tea, this Ovalware model is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.